We started using the DEWALT 40V hedge trimmer about 1.5 years ago after having ethanol issues with the gas hedge trimmers. So the performance is comparable, and the runtime we're finding to be almost twice as long as gas. It's a lower noise level, which allows us to start sometimes a little bit earlier. On the older houses, the shrubs are 3 to 5 feet tall. It puts the gas hedge trimmers right up in your face, sucking down the emissions is just really miserable. We've totally replaced the gas hedge trimmers with the DEWALT 40V hedge trimmer. It's just all around a great machine. We've been using the 40V DEWALT chainsaw, the 16-inch bar on it. It's extremely handy for small limbing cleanup jobs with the instant on and off, especially for limbing and that it's instant power. There's no starting and starting again, pulling and pulling on the pull cord. It's instant. With the gas chainsaws, we're running into the issue where cold starts, especially after they've set for a week or two. We haven't done any tree work for the last couple weeks, and it's just can be incredibly hard to cold start a saw that's set for a few weeks. Gas hedge clippers, same thing. We do a lot of spring pruning, and then we won't do any pruning for a month or two, and the ethanol tends to build up in the carburetors and makes them hard to start after they've set for a while. So we found that the DEWALT 40V handheld blower to be extremely handy for small cleanups, touch-ups, cleaning out the shop, the trailer. When we were doing the winter remodeling, it's perfect for cleaning up indoors. There's no emissions, so we can use it indoors safely. It's just handy for all the small cleanup projects around it because of the instant power. No waiting to start it up, no waiting for it to warm up. It's ready to go with the pull of the trigger.